Hours of the morning, and today on Graceful Cakes we're going to be learning how to bake cakes. All right, we are putting our things together, and let's see if you can see this. I've got butter right there. This is my mixing machine, and here's our butter. To add the remaining things gradually. The next thing I'm going to put now is sugar. So because it's winter, sometimes your what's it called? Your butter can be very hard because the cold has caked it up and make it harder. One of the ways you can make your mixing very easy is to warm it up in the microwave. Warm it up in the microwave, and then to soften it a bit too, and to make your mixing faster. Use the measurements correctly. I buy my butter from okay, for those of you that are not here, you may not even know it if I mention it, because that wouldn't matter. But this is the butter I use. I use this as dado butter. That's what I use. It's in Spanish anyway, so some of you may not understand. And you can already see my sugar, by the way. I use azucarera sugar. It's good for me, it works for me, so I'm sticking to it. Alright, so now we have our sugar and our butter, which is the first ingredients that we had. I'll someday teach you the measurements, because most of our people always uncertain about the correct measurements to use. But when you do it over and over again, you get used to the measurements, and then you'll be able to just know what to put and gauge correctly. Because, practice makes perfect. What you do over and over, you don't need to be told again what to do. It just falls in place as and when you. So what's next now is just to mix the cake and mix very hard till the the sugar melts into the butter. So I'm going to start, and this can be a little noisy because of the machine. Start slowly and go faster. So, white testing, see, it's looking white. So what we just do, we just pack it around, check it around, so make sure that everything evenly blends. Everything is evenly, equally. So all the parts that doesn't blend, we'll just stay it on and check it in. So. I'm forever the same. So even in baking, remember that you're not alone. I enjoy music a lot, and I'm working. It gives me energy to work. And I use the right music to gospel music. Of course, I won't be patronizing anything that's not, any music that's not gospel. So we're just blending it in. Alright, welcome back. Still on Graceful Cakes. This is Grace channel. Our sugar and butter has been properly mixed. If you can see, it's all whitish. So the next stage is to break in the eggs gradually, one after the other, and mix. That's the next stage. I'm just going to do that almost closely. That's not according to the taste of your customers. Some customers like sugar, some don't. So for those that don't like sugar, you have to be careful the level of salt you add. Some of them will tell you by themselves that they don't want the taste of salt that much. So with such customers, you don't use too much salt. So the salt is important also in cake making. For those who don't like sugar, doesn't like salt, I mean like a lot of sugar, I use too salt for them. At this stage, I'll use a wooden spatula to just mix. Next thing I had is lime. I prefer to use vinegar. Sorry, not lime, lemon. I prefer lemon. Lemon. So here we go again, using hacendado flour, just like the butter, same products. And I use the royal baking powder. Baking powder. This is what I use on my what's it called? Flour to measure my flour. Measurement sites. Flour is very smooth, but just for the sake of it, we still filter. Probably because it's what we are used to doing. Just to be on the safe side too. in case there are crumbs and there are dirt that doesn't need to enter. So I'll add my baking powder to the flour and mix it. So now we have all the flour that we need. We have all the what's it called, baking powder we need. So we just lighten it to the correct texture with milk. You see, the cake is actually very rich. It's got fat, it's got carbohydrate, it's got protein, it's got vitamin. So it's very rich and healthy. Vanilla, and my vanilla essence is still the Hacendado product. I like this particular product because of the brownish color it adds to the cake. There are other vanilla, but I prefer this Hacendado vanilla. So it doesn't just give it the aroma of vanilla, it also adds the brownish color to it. So that saves me adding color or buying color or food coloring to add to the cake. And people add food coloring to their cake to give it the color that they want. Unless the client wants the color. If the client does not want the color or does not specify the color, I prefer to use vanilla. Aroma vanilla is my pan for baking already. So I'm just going to cut the vegetable paper into shape so it can fit into the pan. Yeah, now you see this. Thereafter, I don't throw this off so I can get butter from it to rub my pan. So, doesn't need too much butter. I'm not rubbing all the parts of the pan with butter. Just a little touch of it. And then I don't put too much. So now that my pan is still over with vegetable paper and butter, so the cake doesn't stick. Now we are ready to bake. By the way, the oven is already on, waiting for me to bring the cake in. It's heating up the preparation for the cake. So start baking fully before the children wake up. They have gone far. So when we are preparing for school, it won't affect us in any way. We know that our cakes are ready. And the last step is to put it in the oven, and when it's ready in the oven, we'll bring it back for you to see what it looks like. So thanks for staying with us today on Graceful Cakes. Keep subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Keep sharing this video. Like it also. And we'll continue to show you more tips on snacks and cake making that will help you entertain your home, take care of your children, and reduce the cost of buying outside. If you can do it yourself, why buy outside? So stick with us on Grace channel and on. All right. Right, we're back. Welcome back to Grace channel on the program Graceful Cakes. So our cake is ready. Come take a look. Alright, so here's the cake, all baked. Smells nice, all crispy and fluffy, ready for eating. Yum yum. So this is it. Join us on the next program as we dress this cake together. So until then, take good care of yourself. I'll see you again. Ciao.